Financial Garden is changing lives by financially educating school-age students, kindergarten to high school, and adults. Have you ever said to yourself, when I was growing up, I wish someone would have discussed with me the possibility of entrepreneurship, or how to make better financial decisions, how debt and credit works, how to invest, or even how to budget money? According to the 2020 Council for Economic Education survey, only 21 states require high school students to take a personal finance course. Requirements matter. Research indicates that in states that have requirements, students exhibit more informed behavior around college financing, in particular those from lower-income families. With your help, Financial Garden is combating financial illiteracy. Financial Garden is here to meet your professional development needs. We do this with a focus on our 6 financial plans: emotions and money, entrepreneurship, budgeting, banking basics, debt fundamentals, and investing. Through Financial Garden's professional development, you will receive the financial tools to enhance your life as well as the students you serve. A recent study revealed that 1/3 of U.S. employees are distracted by finances while at work. Let Financial Garden bring financial wellness to your workplace. Our interactive professional development plan will leave educators like you empowered to not only enhance your personal finances, but also take the first step in financially educating your students. Educators will receive a slide presentation, step-by-step instructor guide, and instructional video to begin teaching their first Financial Garden lesson. Are you ready to dig in?